Here we are then. We thought we'd give this a go. Got this neat little bit of software on the iPhone. Seems to work with Steve Knightley doing this, so why don't we give it a go? You do have the ability to plug the guitar in if you want to record a separate guitar track, but as it's a live performance, perhaps we'll just try it first with me just playing the guitar. You wanted to hear some old songs. You probably know this one. It was made famous by Rod Stewart, really. Anyway, off we go. Oh, let's get in the right key. I'm back. Had to get the capo. Move me up a bit. Start again. Bit of finger picking. Sailing, I'm sailing home again, across the sea. I'm sailing stormy waters to be near you, to be free. Flying, I'm flying like a bird across the sky. I'm flying, passing high clouds to be with you, to be free. Can you hear me? Can you hear me through the dark night far away? I am dying, forever trying to be with you. Who can say? Sailing home again, across the sea. I'm sailing stormy